Now we are going to learn the second lesson, nouns common and proper. The second lesson, nouns common and proper. What are common nouns and what are proper nouns? Here you see the example. Hi, I am Grandma. Meet my friends. This is Post. He is a dog. GT is a robot. Mac is a macaw. Can you see the mountain behind us? It is called Mount Fuji. It is a volcano. It is in Japan. Okay, here she is Grandma. It is Post. GT. Mac. Okay, here look at the highlighted words that Grandma says. What Grandma says? Friends, post, dog, GT, robot, Mac, highlighted words అనమాట మీకు నార్మల్ కలరింగ్ వర్డ్స్కి highlighted or dark in color. So those are called highlighted words. They are all nouns. All those highlighted words are nouns only. Notice that some nouns begin with capital letters. Some nouns begins with capital letters. Here you see Grandma, G capital, Post, P capital, Mac, M capital, Mount Fuji, M capital and F capital. Okay, Japan, J capital, GT, G and T both are capital. Okay, have you observed? Now, and some do not, like friends do not starts with the capital letter, robot do not starts with the capital letter, dog do not starts with capital letter, macaw M do not starts with capital letter, mountain M do not starts with capital letter, volcano V doesn't starts with capital letter. So like that. Thus nouns can be of two different kinds. These two are nouns only, but these two have different kinds. These two are two different kinds: proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns and common nouns. So what is a proper noun? We use proper nouns to name a particular person, place or idea. We use proper nouns to name a particular person, place or idea. Here, remember this, proper nouns. We use proper nouns to name a particular person. Particular person. Stress on this. Particular person, place or idea. When we are talking about a particular person, particular place or particular idea, those particular things are called proper nouns. For example, here Vijay is my friend. Vijay is my friend. Okay, here friend, we do call all the friends as friend only. Yes, so if you have three friends like Vijay, Sonu and Raju. So if you have friends like Vijay, Sonu, Raju, Vijay is my friend, Sonu is my friend, Raju is my friend. So friend is a common noun we use for all the persons. Okay, for animals also we can use my pet dog is my friend, my pet dog is my best friend. Like that also we can use. Friend is very common, we can use for persons, for every person we can use, for so many things we can use, for animals also we can use. So here friend is a common noun. Vijay, we cannot call Sonu as Vijay, we cannot call Raju as Sonu. Yes, so Vijay is a particular name of one person. Yes, we cannot call you Vijay. Yes, if your name is Raju, can I call you Vijay? Can you answer me if I call you Vijay? No. So Vijay is a particular name of one person. Here Sonu, particular name of one person. Raju also a particular name of one person. Okay, Rani, name of a particular person. Tommy, name of a one dog, particular dog. Particular ante proper okka manishi okka animal. సో పర్టికులర్గా కాల్ చేస్తే వాటిని పర్టికులర్ నౌన్స్ అంటాం. నెహ్రూ పార్క్, ఐ వెంట్ టు పార్క్ ఎస్టర్డే. పార్క్ ఈజ్ కామన్ నౌన్. వెన్ ఐ సే ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పార్క్, నెహ్రూ పార్క్, నెహ్రూ పార్క్, దెన్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ particular noun. So that is proper noun. When I say school, we have so many schools here. When I say Vijnana Bharati school, that is a proper noun. That is a proper noun. We have so many. Color is a common noun. Pink color is a proper noun. Now we are addressing the particular color. So pink. Pink is a proper noun. Okay. Here we have some more examples in the textbooks. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Begins with a capital letter. You just have to remember one thing. Whenever you have to write a proper noun, you just have to start the letter with capital letter. Okay. Names of people. Ananya, Raghupati, Fatima, Zeri. Like the names all are started with the capital letter. Why? Because they are proper nouns. Names of places. New Delhi, Cairo, Maldives, Jupiter. Names of days of the week. Thursday, Friday. Names of months. March, August. Names of buildings. India Gate, Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal. And names of continents. Asia, Australia, South America. These are all the names of particular months, buildings, continents, names of week and places, people. So we have started all these words with the capital letters and those are called proper nouns. And next, common nouns. We use common nouns to name a person, place or an idea in a general sense. Generally we call, "Hey boy, come here. What are you doing there?" Okay, like that commonly we used to name a person. This is a wonderful place. I did not say which place is wonderful. I am saying this place is a wonderful place. Wow, your dress is so beautiful. It is in pink color. So here I am addressing pink color particularly. So we could know which dress I am praising. But here common nouns. Hey boy, come here. Can you say whom I am asking? So that is a common noun. Commonly we use those names. Here you see common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns starts with a capital letter and common nouns do not start with a capital letter. Here is a list of common nouns and some possible proper nouns. Here, artist is a common noun. We can say Chiranjeevi as an artist, Nagarjuna as an artist, M.F. Hussain as an artist. So all we can call artist. So that is a common noun. So when we are using properly, we are saying their names, then we have to write those names starts with capital letter. For example, M.F. Hussain, Amrita Shergill, Amrita Shergill, A capital letter, S capital letter. Next, city. We can call Delhi as city, Mumbai as city, Hyderabad as city, Vijayawada as city. But city is a common noun. We can call all those cities as city only. So here proper nouns. The names of those cities, the particular names of those cities are called proper nouns. Example, Mumbai, M capital letter, Dhaka, Colombo. These are proper nouns. Mountain. Mountain is a common noun. Mount Everest, Mount Blanc. So these are the names of a particular mountains. So these are proper nouns. Book. Book is a common noun. Arabian Nights, the name of a book. Black Beauty, the name of a book. So those are proper nouns. Okay, book is a common noun, and Arabian Nights, Blackberry, these are all the names of particular books. Those are called proper nouns. And next, see here, the box below has a few nouns. Use the words from the box to complete the information in the table. The first row is done for you. Here the box below has few nouns. Here we have few nouns in this box. Use the words from the box to complete the information in the table. ఈ టేబుల్లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి ఈ వర్డ్స్ని యూస్ చేయమన్నారు. అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ రో హ్యాస్ బీన్ డన్ ఫర్ అస్. ద వైట్ హౌస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వైట్ హౌస్? ఈజ్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ building. Okay, proper noun, the name of a building. So common noun is building, proper noun is White House. Amir Khan. Who is Amir Khan? Is an actor. Common noun, actor. Amir Khan is the name of a particular person, so that is proper noun. Ganges, name of a river, Ganga. Okay, Ganges, name of a river, particular name of a river, Ganges. So what is that? That is a river. So that is common noun. Paris. Paris is the name of a city. City is common noun. Paris is a proper noun. They have given you Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Who is that Spider-Man? Cartoon character. Spider-Man not existed really. Here that is a cartoon character. Next, movie. Movie, what we have here? Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo is the name of a movie. Movie is a common noun, proper noun. Name of a particular movie is Finding Nemo. And next they have given you Japan. Japan, what is Japan? Japan is the name of a country. So, country. So, like this you have to fill these Roman. Next, read the following review of a children's book. Underline all the common nouns and circle all proper nouns. The first one has been done for you. James and the Giant Peach is a delightful story. Here, name of the story. What is that name of the story? James and the Giant Peach is a delightful story written by Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl. James Henry Trotter is an orphan. James Henry Trotter is the name of a person. Is an orphan. Is an orphan. Is a common noun. So what we have to is underline all the common nouns, circle all proper nouns. Here, he lives with his aunts. Sponge, name of the aunt, and Spigot, name of uncle. They treat James cruelly. They treat James cruelly. One day, an old man gives James a bag of magical crystals. Here, man, common noun. James, proper noun. Bag, common noun. Crystals, common noun. Magic. Here, magic is not a noun. A dead peach tree, proper noun. The name of a particular tree, no? So, peach tree is a proper noun. Grows a giant peach. Grows a giant peach. Name of a particular fruit. The insects in the peach at first scare James. The insects in the peach at first scare James, but later become his friends. It is a funny and interesting book for kids. Okay, this is Roman B. What we have to do? You just circle the proper nouns, underline the common nouns. Next, or the underlined words common nouns or proper nouns. Write C for common nouns and P for proper noun. One has been done for you. My uncle lives in a big city. Here underlined word is city. City is a common noun. For common noun we have to write C. The Nile is the longest river. The Nile. Nile is the name of a particular river. So Nile is a proper noun. P. P for proper noun, C for common noun. We have to complete this Roman like this. And next, put capital letters in the correct places. One has been done for you. Here, My dog's name is Rex. What do we have to do? The first letter in the sentence always should be capital letter. Okay, the first letter in a sentence, wherever it is, the first letter in a sentence should be capital letter. Whatever it is, common noun or proper noun or anything, the first letter should be capital letter. And next, name of a proper noun. Proper noun should be starts with capital letter. So, my dog's name is Rex. The first letter of a proper noun should be capital letter Rex. Next, in Shimla, the first letter I, capital letter. Shimla, name of a particular place, proper noun. Yes, capital letter. It starts snowing in December. Name of a particular month. So, December, D, capital letter. Like that, you have to write these exercises. Okay, this is our second lesson, common noun and proper nouns. Nouns common and proper up to now is completed. Next.